Hello everyone, welcome back to the TheNibbleBowl. Today I'm going to share with you a simple cucumber salad recipe for weight loss. For the recipe we are using simple ingredients. Our weight loss journey is in process of editing and we will definitely going to document for you. Then we will put the link in description box and you will get the clear idea about the daily exercises and how we maintain the portions of food and everything you need. So let's get started. For the recipe, I am adding 1 tablespoon of curd. Here I am using slim curd. Curd has high amount of calcium and it boosts metabolism. And I am adding pinch of pepper powder. It increases metabolism and helps to burn calories. Then I am adding the main ingredient, half cup of diced cucumber. We know cucumber has zero fat and low in calories. So includes cucumbers in diet. The good amount of water and soluble fiber promote hydrating and aiding weight loss. Then I am adding 1/4 cup of onion. These are also source of soluble fiber like cucumber. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon of olive oil and give it a good mix. Olive oil is packed with fatty acids and it keeps your heart healthy and stable your blood sugar level and helps to lose weight. Finally, I am adding seeds like watermelon seeds, pumpkin seeds and flax seeds for getting micronutrients. Now the healthy cucumber salad is ready to serve. You're definitely going to love this healthy salad recipe. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for getting more updates. Do like, share. Thanks for watching.